Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Pulse. The Tata Indica, a compact car that became an icon in India, might not be a household name in the US, but its story is one worth exploring. It's a car that symbolizes innovation, affordability, and a shift in India's automotive industry. Today, we'll take a closer look at what made the Tata Indica a landmark vehicle and why it deserves your attention. The Tata Indica was launched in 1998 by Tata Motors, an Indian automotive company that's part of the larger Tata Group, a name synonymous with everything from steel to software. At the time, India's car market was dominated by outdated designs and international brands with expensive offerings. Tata Motors wanted to disrupt this trend by creating India's first indigenously designed car. Designed to cater to the Indian market, the Indica had a distinct hatchback style with ample interior space. Its tagline, "More car per car," wasn't just a marketing gimmick. The Indica delivered on this promise with a roomy cabin, a large luggage area, and a design tailored for families and professionals alike. Under the hood, the first-generation Indica came with a 1.4-liter diesel engine and a 1.2-liter petrol engine. While these specs might seem modest by US standards, they were perfect for India's urban landscapes and long rural drives. The diesel variant was particularly appreciated for its fuel efficiency, a critical factor in a country where mileage often dictates buying decisions. The Indica wasn't just about practicality, it also featured some surprising comforts for its time. Air conditioning, power windows, and a sleek dashboard design gave it an edge over competitors. It was built to handle India's diverse terrains, from congested city streets to unpaved rural roads. What set the Indica apart was its price point. Tata Motors managed to make the car affordable without compromising on quality, which resonated deeply with middle-class buyers. Within a year of its launch, the Indica became one of the best-selling cars in India, reshaping the country's automotive landscape. The car also opened the door for Tata Motors to compete on a global stage. In the early 2000s, the Indica was exported to several countries, including the United Kingdom, under the name City Rover. While its reception in international markets was mixed, the effort marked Tata Motors' first steps toward global recognition. Over the years, the Tata Indica went through multiple updates and facelifts, improving its design, features, and performance. Its evolution paved the way for other successful Tata models, including the Tata Vista and the Tata Tiago, which carry forward the Indica's legacy. In 2008, Tata Motors gained international fame by acquiring Jaguar and Land Rover, solidifying its status as a global automotive player. Although the Indica itself was discontinued in 2018, its influence remains. It set the stage for Tata Motors to explore electric vehicles and advanced automotive technologies. So, why should a US audience care about the Tata Indica? First, it's a story of innovation and how an emerging market like India transformed its automotive industry. Second, it's a testament to how a single car can impact millions of lives by providing affordable mobility. Finally, it's a glimpse into Tata Motors' broader journey, from launching the Indica to producing luxury vehicles under Jaguar and Land Rover. As the US market continues to explore affordable, fuel-efficient, and environmentally friendly vehicles, the story of the Indica serves as a reminder of how innovation can emerge from unexpected places. The Tata Indica may not have graced American roads, but its legacy resonates globally. It's more than just a car, it's a symbol of progress, determination, and ingenuity. Whether you're an auto enthusiast or someone intrigued by global innovation, the Indica's journey is a tale worth remembering. Stay tuned for more stories like this, stories of cars that changed industries, countries, and lives. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.